Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and this video I'm going to talk about my braces. This is an update on my braces because this week I went to get my braces adjusted and of course, changed the rubber band and everything. And this is my monthly update on my braces and how I have been dealing with my braces and the changes I have been experiencing. So yeah, what can I say about changes regarding my braces? This past month I really haven't noticed like much change. Not really. I just had one bracket like in the back, like the molar part, it kind of became loose. That's about it, but I don't feel any pain. I did went to go get my teeth clean, and that was the first for me, and so that was very interesting. What they did is that they took the wires out, the rubber bands and the wires out, and then they went in with the machine to kind of clean everything. But the machine, like, just on the bare teeth it's noisy, but when they're rubbing up against the brackets and everything, it just becomes very noisy. And but it wasn't painful or anything. It went pretty smoothly. For some reason, where I had, this is probably like too much TMI, but I had like a lot of like plaque buildup in this area for some reason. And I don't know, I brushed there. I don't know, I think I have to do better with my brushing technique and kind of change some things up. But like everything else was good. It's just in this area, and the hygienist told me that it's pretty common for a lot of people like in this inner portion area to have like plaque buildup there. But yeah, that's something that I want to work on, and maybe improving my technique and brushing and flossing, of course. And I told them that regarding the flossing, I also the hygienist asked me if I floss, and I told them yes, that I've been using the water floss, and told me that that was a really good idea. So yeah, that's a big thumbs up regarding flossing. And especially if you have braces, I think like the water floss is so much easier and so convenient. So, and like I said, my hygienist said that that was a really good idea, using the water floss. So yeah, everything went well regarding the teeth, getting my teeth cleaned, and changing, just adjusting my braces and changing the rubber band. I got like a blue, like a light blue color. I'll get closer so you guys can see. And I don't know if you guys can tell. You guys can probably compare with the previous videos that I've uploaded. But yeah, like this is my bite and the inside. It looks pretty straight for me, like it looks really good. But yeah, this is like my 6 months, I believe, of having braces. And yeah, I'm really getting up there. So yeah, I've been having these braces now for quite some time, and I have a year more to go. So yeah, it's a long journey, but it's well worth it because it's something that I've always wanted, a nice straight smile. So, you know, at least once in my life I want to have a nice straight smile. So hopefully by the time we're done with this, which is in a year, I'll have a nice straight smile. But yeah, everything went well regarding the tooth cleaning. There was no complications. I do believe it took just a little bit longer because they had to go around the brackets, but other than that, everything went well. I had my braces, you know, the rubber bands changed and everything. But yeah, I just wanted to stop by and talk to you guys about my journey and my updates and everything. So yeah, see you on the next video. Bye.